Welcome back to Autoscope. The opulent 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Concept blends the luxury and practicality of a motorhome with the design of a Bugatti hypercar. Based on the information at hand, the following is a thorough description, design and luxury inside. It is opulent, high-end materials like carbon fiber, polished wood, and hand-stitched leather are used throughout the interior, which is supposed to resemble a private jet. It has a fully equipped kitchen, an opulent bathroom, and a sitting area that doubles as a master bedroom. There is a lot of smart technology in the interior, such as voice-activated climate control, entertainment, and lighting. Iconic exterior, with its opulent detailing and aerodynamic lines. The exterior design perfectly captures the Bugatti flair, designed with the same level of precision as a Bugatti hypercar for long-distance driving. Technology and features: smart technology, voice control for entertainment, climate, and lighting is made possible by integrated smart technology systems. Sustainability: elements that reduce their influence on the environment include solar panels and a cutting-edge battery system. Practicality: creative storage options to make the most of the limited space. Travel safely using contemporary security measures. Performance: although comfort and luxury are the main priorities, this RV should work well over extended distances. The following intriguing characteristics could also be present in the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, which blends design and functionality. Integrated Hypercar Garage: the integrated garage that can hold a boot. Bugatti Hypercar is without a doubt one of the most incredible features. Owners will be able to travel in luxury and discover new places with their hypercar. Adaptive suspension system: to provide a comfortable and smooth ride. The motorhome may have a cutting-edge adaptive suspension system that adapts to the road conditions. High-end entertainment system: an advanced entertainment system featuring surround sound and a huge